Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video, I went to Walmart and I seen this. This is the Salon Perfect On Point Tree Tip Brow Marker. This is Tree Tip for Microblading Effect. Mimics natural brow hairs, waterproof, smudge proof, dries fast. So I was like, okay. So I want to try it out. This eyebrow, I was cleaning up my friggin' eyebrows and I shaved too much on top right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is my pretty eyebrow, you know? And then this is the little cabrona that wants to get out of hand and stuff and I'll it sometimes. So anyways, I want to try it out. It was only like $5, so I was like, you know what, let's give it a go. So I'm gonna zoom in and we're gonna try this out. So it's supposed to mimic eyebrow strokes. All right, this eyebrow is full, but I still want to try it out. This is dry. It does dry fast. Look, that did dry pretty fast. So that's smudge proof and waterproof, just like my finger, and that is a lie. So let's just see how well it works just doing these little strokes. I'm just going to I guess it is dark, so I'm just gonna go light, like light pressure. All right, I can see that. Kind of just like pull it down and then right here like that. That doesn't look that bad. It's just different, you know? So let's try this eyebrow because this one is the crusty one. It's kind of hard doing the same. Maybe we can get the same. Let's see. Oh, I like that. Look at that, you guys. That's pretty cool. I just don't know how to work this. And it's okay if we go a little bit over because I'm going to clean it up. I could see this working like really well with some practice because this one looks pretty bad. So let's play around some more. I'm pretty sure if I play around with this more, practice makes perfect, like for sure. I'm going to comb my eyebrows real quick. Oh, that's nice. That is nice, you guys. Look at that, all fake. All fake. And that came out beautiful. Okay, let's do it again. And you can like just turn it. Kind of messed up right there, but that's okay. I'm really happy with how fake and good that looks. So let's clean it up. I'm going to redo this eyebrow since I played around with it a little bit more and you just be really nice. Oh, I really like this. That is so cool. You guys see those fake hair strokes? Are you guys seeing that? Like, I'm so freaking happy. Like, I know this looks kind of wonky, but that's okay. This looks freaking bomb. And it was around $4. Hell yeah. All right. Look at that. Oh, looks nice. I know the end I went a little bit too crazy, but the end I went a little bit dark, but you know what? Honestly, that's okay. This, I'm super excited about. Like, focus. That, I'm extremely excited about. Right here. Oh, yeah. Okay, now let's do this side. I know there's not that much to do, but I did. Now, since I go in pretty slow, going very nice and slow, it looks nicer. So, here you go. Like, look at that. It just looks so, it's just so easy. And it's going to save me so much time. Look at that. So much time. It's going to save me so much time. Since Nikki Tutorials likes doing that too, like flicking it up right there. Girl. Brows are done. They're looking a little bit dark. I'm going to go in with some setting powder. Going to lighten them up a little bit. I was trying to do an eyebrow, but it looks like an eyelash. But you guys get the gist, right? Awesome. This is an awesome product. I'm like really happy. Even if my eyebrows are kind of dark, me vale. Like they look going. I am excited. So this one was this is dark brown. They do have another shade, Universal Taupe. So if you don't want dark brown, they have Universal Taupe. So don't even worry. Again, this is from Salon Perfect. And I found it at Walmart under $5. And I'm really happy. I feel like this is going to be a game changer. And everyone who loves doing the whole strokes. Okay, you guys, so I finished my makeup. Got my makeup all done. I love this. I love this a lot. I'm obsessed. I highly recommend it. It is going to take some playing around with to get used to this, but give it a try. It's under $5. Freaking awesome. Give it a try. I'm really happy with how my brows look. Really, really happy. I know it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I'm excited. I highly recommend it. I got the job done. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated my videos. Also, make sure you guys turn on your notifications so you guys are notified when I do post. Te quiero mucho, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. 3:23. I'm gonna zoom in. Let me set my face. Okay, so it's now 12:34. Eyebrows are still on from when I applied them earlier. Bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Amazing. Recommend the eyebrow product for sure.